Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So here we have a question that 24 divide 6 plus 2 multiply 3. Okay, so now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS, P-E-M-D-A-S. Okay, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponent, third priority is multiplication, division. Both have equal priority, okay? And last priority, fourth priority is addition and subtraction. Also both have equal priority. So is equal to, here is a first priority, here is a one division, one addition, and one multiplication. So addition is second priority, so first priority is multiplication and division. Both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this division, then we have to solve this multiplication. Okay. So 24 divided 6 is equal to 4 plus 2 multiply 3 is equal to, here is a one addition and here is one multiplication. So 4 plus 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 is equal to 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. So the correct answer is 10. Okay. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.